Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will see how to fix exception java.lang.IllegalStateException in Selenium WebDriver. See, we ran some program and we got into this error. Exception inside main java.lang.IllegalStateException. The path to the driver executable must be set by the webdriver.chrome.driver.system property. So see, we got this error because you can read the error message nicely and you can understand. See, Eclipse is a very beautiful tool. If you read the error message carefully and try to understand, it will tell you where and what mistake you are doing. So see, it is clearly showing that the path to the driver executable must be set by the webdriver chrome.driver. It means the path which we are setting for driver webdriver.chrome.driver, it is wrong and we should set with this only. So let's see where we are setting the path and what mistake we are doing. So see, in Selenium WebDriver, to initiate any driver, we set the property value and path in this system.set property only, right? So this is the path where we kept our driver. If you are using chrome driver, gecko driver, whatever driver you are using, this is where we give the path of the driver where Selenium can go and initiate the driver from there. We are giving the location from where it can go and locate the driver, and this is which driver it has to execute. This is the value we are giving. So here see, we have given webdriver.chrome.driver dot. So I guess now you got it that here what is the mistake is w is missing, right? See, clearly it is showing that if you are using chrome driver, use this path, and suppose if you are using gecko driver, it will show you the gecko driver property, webdriver.gecko.driver. So here we are using chrome, so it is showing webdriver.chrome.driver. You have to set the system property with this only. See, clearly it is mentioned executable must be set by this. So you need not to do anything. Don't try to write, type or something. Just only do copy paste. See, you have done copy paste. Nothing to do. In case if you don't remember this, then you just give some random values and run the program. Automatically it will show which value you have to set it here. This is the beauty of Eclipse. It shows everything nicely. Now we'll run the program and we'll see whether it's working or not. See, it is initiating the browser and it is opening the page. But now let me tell you one more thing, that always very careful while giving this value, because it's a case sensitive also. If you try to type or something, you will see down, but that was the error, webdriver.chrome.driver it should be set. So you just try to type it, you might end up typing capital W or whatever it is. So that also will not work and you will land into that same exception, illegal state exception. See, illegal state exception that must be set with this. So it's a case sensitive also, guys. Remember and be very careful while setting this property. Now I have changed to small w. It was capital W and I have changed to small w, and now see, it should work. See, now it's launching the browser. So I hope this video might have helped you in case if you are getting illegal state exception, driver path, driver property is not set properly. If you like my video, please like my channel. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching my video.